Note values and rest. Note values. In Western music, different types of symbols are used to represent the duration of sounds. These symbols are known as note values or time values. The following diagram shows the different kinds of note values arranged according to their duration. In countries where Western music is widely practiced, two main naming systems are used for note values. As shown here, the British naming system is the one most commonly used in Sri Lanka, while the other system is the American naming system. Parts of a note: tail, stem, head, rest. Let's learn about the parts that make up a musical note. In Western music, special symbols called rests are used to represent periods of silence, moments when no singing or instrument playing occurs. Each note value has a corresponding rest symbol of equal duration. Therefore, for every note that represents sound, there is an equivalent rest that represents silence for the same amount of time. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget subscribe, like and share video.